Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can turn off the notification for your YouTube mobile application. So you have the notification settings on in your YouTube mobile application, but sometimes it gets annoying because of the lots of notification pending on your taskbar and you want to disable that feature but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. It's a very simple process. It's only done in a few steps, so just stick till the end of the video and watch the video till the end. The first thing you want to do in order to disable the notification feature of your YouTube mobile application is open the YouTube mobile application. Once you open the YouTube mobile application, what you want to do is tap on the account icon on the top right corner. From the account icon, what you want to do is go into the settings. In the settings, look for the option labeled as notification. Once you find that option, open that. Here you can see all the notification settings activated for YouTube mobile application. Here, choose any of the notification that you want to disable. Like suppose you want to disable the subscription notification, which is the notification for all the channels you have subscribed. When they post or upload a video, you get notified. If you want to disable that, what you want to do is just turn this toggle off, then your notification will be disabled. Like that, here are all the other notifications that are activated in the YouTube mobile application. So go through all the notification settings, then activate or deactivate whichever notification settings you want or you don't want in your YouTube mobile application. Once you do that, go back to your home page, then you'll be all done. All your settings will be saved automatically. Now you won't be disturbed from any of the notification from your YouTube mobile application. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.